Hey, this is Margo at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a quick overview of this cute fox quilt. This is by Elizabeth Hartman, and it's called Fancy Fox, and it's made with her Planetarium line. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what's in the kit. So first of all, it's got this beautiful charcoal or gray, light gray Essex linen background. It has the white that you need for the face of the foxes, and then it's got the binding and then the fabric, the black fabric for the eyes. So you got a few pieces of fabric for the bigger pieces of the fox. Then to piece the fox, you use the strips from the Planetarium line in your quilt to make the cute little fox faces in all the different colors. So anyway, it is lots of fun. Her patterns come with great directions. The size of this quilt is 50 by 62. So it's a great size quilt with lots of foxes on it. And what child would not love this fun fox quilt? Happy quilting!